observe 2 minutes silence for the Kargil war heroes. Today is the Martyrs' Day.
I may not lead you. I may not lead you. Don't walk in front of me. I may not follow you. Come walk behind me and be my friend and follow the routine.
Hello, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. The four-way test, which was created in 1932 by Rotarian Herbert J. Taylor. This 24-word test for employees to follow in their business and professional lives became the guide for sales, production, advertising, and all relations with dealers and customers. And the survival of the company is credited to this simple philosophy. Adopted by Rotary in 1943, the four-way test has been translated into more than 100 languages and published in thousands of ways. The four-way test of the things we think, say, or do. First, is it the truth? Second, is it fair to all concerned? Third, will it build goodwill and better friendship? Fourth, will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you.
I request Advait President David Krishna, please give us the welcome address.
Good evening to everyone. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. I bow my head to my parents, to my family, and to all the senior Rotary veterans in this forum. Thank you all. Today, the beautiful day of our 39th installation of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown, District 3150. I, Girija Sampath, the President, outgoing President, welcoming all of you. I take the opportunity to really, from my bottom of my heart, to welcome you. Though it is very sad to mention that it is outgoing President, never end, my journey is still going to continue. I welcome our Rotary Governor, Sri Prabhakar Garu, District Membership Chair Sharat Chaudhary Garu, Malik Garu, District Head Twin Cities, Malik Garu, all other AGs, trailblazers, presidents, my friends, my Rotary family members. I welcome one and all. My year as President has passed by quickly, but it was a very eventful year. From running a campaign online due to pandemic protocol, I learned how to adapt in a changing environment. But I have no regrets. Initially, I had some conservative thinking, what will I do in Rotary? My first meeting still I remember. But the day I met my members, all my members gave me so much of energy, so much of encouragement. I started realizing that I have taken up a very beautiful job as a president of this Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown. So here we are there, the end of my year as president, and how quickly it has passed. Being somewhat apprehensive, when first asked to be the president, I was reassured by several past presidents that I would enjoy the experience, and although unconvinced at that time, I can confidently say that I am enjoying myself now. I should thank Rinesh once again for this, because Rinesh is the person who was at the back of me to join Rotary after Vijayalakshmi auntie introduced me. Thank you, Rinesh. The senior members of our club and all my fellow Rotarians set the theme of good fellowship, humor, and some good works thrown in. My intention was to have even more of the same And my thanks are due to you all for helping maintain the club on an even keel throughout the year. My members are fabulous. Anytime, Abhat Bandhava, Anatha Rakshaka, anytime I come with a project, they never say no. Everyone supported me in all projects. Thank you, one and all. I am proud to be a member of our club, RC Hyderabad Midtown, and particularly proud to have been accorded the honor of being your president. Doing the presidential rounds, visiting other clubs, and virtually sitting next to our Rotarian guests, I have come to appreciate what a really good club we have. Our blunt and relaxed formality, combined with a sense of bonding and purpose serve to differentiate our clubs from others. We are definitely different from all other clubs. Please, on the beginning of the year, I identified some goals I wanted to meet during my presidency. The important ones I wanted to just briefly talk about it. All district designated days we have celebrated and we have done wonderful job. Teachers' Day, sewing machine, 3 numbers were distributed to the teachers and also the teachers were trained. Given 3,000 to each of 2 teachers who have lost their jobs, Shabana and Hema. We have given 3,000 rupees per month for 6 months since they lost their jobs. Ration distribution of 50,000 rupees we have distributed for 200 people in Trimalgiri with the help of Trimalgiri police station, a village called Shastri Nagar. I think people can, it will be more energetic to clap because we have done great job. Because this is all what you have done. So all of you need a clap from my side. Since I am holding the mic, please clap. Complete kitchen set distribution was given in Toli Chowki with the support of DCP North. That distribution was almost 50,000 rupees, was contributed by Dr. Ram's family. Please give him a big hand. Vaccine drive. Our club have initiated the vaccine drive for District 3150 and the main person, let us give a big clap to none other than our Seema. Seema, thank you so much. Medical camp. We have conducted a medical camp in Dr. Ram's Santosh Bhai Deshmukh Hospital where he has given us the full support and we have done camp for more than 250 people that day. Thanks Dr. Ram once again. I should remember that day our Dr. Sharad Koretkar and Baijendi was also present and he was one of the most active member that day in the medical camp. Today I am missing him, I am not seeing him today. Yes, sir. Dr. Sharad Koretkar, thank you so much. We have distributed medicine and calcium tablet on the mother and child health under the designated day. Under skill development, we have conducted training program for engineering students and diploma students around more than 400 people. We have given an Android development training and also we have offered internship by Mr. Rishabh Aharwal, the CEO of iCan Care. We have conducted a district tobacco cessation program joining with Punjab, Haryana, Orissa, Chennai and District 3150, Telangana and Andhra. There were more than 400 participants for the district program where we have done a major program of tobacco cessation and quit tobacco program. That is one of our pet project of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown. We have conducted several programs with the Rotary Action Group with Sri Kalyan Banerjee and Dr. Purohit, Deepak Purohit to quit tobacco cessation programs. I should thank Ms. Vasuprada Karthik to help us for conducting these programs. Thank you, Vasu. Vocational Excellence Award. We have given Vocational Excellence Award to our senior 4 Rotarians. We have also distributed sanitary napkins and hygiene kit for Kanya Gurukul School and Orphanage in Yusufgooda. I wanted to thank Mrs. Lakshmi Reddy for this, contributing sanitary napkins on free of cost for this. Please give her a big hand. Ration given for girls who are affected by AIDS in Karkhana. This was distributed by our member Nidhi Anand. Nidhi is not there. Please, all of you can clap for Nidhi too. Under Child Development and Teach program, for Asha Kiran, we have contributed 25,000 rupees. This was given personally by me to Asha Kiran. Nidhi Anand again is supporting several students and helping them in the skill development and employment programs. This is a continuous journey in our club. Conducted programs and several NGO for women empowerment, and we have also done self-defense course, and this was conducted by our member Barsha Gan. On the fellowship side, we had a gala time, a pot lunch at Dr. Ram's house. It was a fabulous get-together we had. We also had a couple of breakfast meetings in front of Ram's hospital because it's very easy for him to come. We used to meet in Taj. Thanks for all the Rotarians who have participated in the breakfast meetings and also in the fellowship. After that, I think we are going to meet the fellowship today. During the DG visit also, we had a memorable day. We had a couple of breakfast meetings too. We also have given 25,000 rupees in the national park for maintaining some birds. This was done during our past president, Mr. Rinesh's time, right? It is a continuous journey and we will be doing the same thing in the coming year also. We conducted around 29 speaker meetings and 13 board meetings and other meetings. We have covered all the verticals. District members, we are very proud in the membership area. I am very proud to say that Midtown has come up with 3 clubs. Rotary Club of Hyderabad Pride, only the founding of time, a women's club in District 3150. I welcome Indira, the president, and Asma. Indira, thank you. Thanks a lot, Indira, you are doing a great job. Thanks a lot. Being a parent club, we are very proud of you. We are always there with you. Please come. Let us give them a big hand. We are also coming up with another club, Global Literacy. Today, the new president has come, Mr. Rajesh and Tirupati Rao. Please come. Please give more. You have to welcome them. Thank you both. We are looking forward for your installation. We have also come up with another club, Rotary Club of Visionaries. I hope Deepa has come. Deepali, please come. She is the president of Rotary Club of Visionaries. So on the whole, I think in District 3150, we are the club who gave the maximum members, more than 111 members. So this year too, the new president, Srimay Akila and team definitely will form more clubs, and I am very, very sure that we will again meet our target. My thanks to you for all making these things to happen. I am mindful that I have just been a person holding the microphone in Zoom meetings. Alongside me are those who toil unceasingly to keep the club moving and whom I am ever grateful. Thanks to Vijayalakshmi Shikavathandi, who is always an inspiration for me. Thank you, Auntie. Again, I have to say one sentence here. Vijayalakshmi Auntie again has given me one more responsibility in this year. She has nominated me as the president of Innerwheel Ekata, and I have taken charge. Dr. Ram and Seema. There is not even a single day where I have not disturbed them. They have been my both pillars, and today I am standing and talking so boldly is because of their help. Thank you both, Dr. Ram and Seema. I don't want it to bore much. I've already bored enough. So, let us see. Srimai, wishing you all the best, and I welcome you as the new president, and Rinesh, of course. Rinesh is a very senior Rotarian, and I'm sure that he'll be very supportive to you with all our members. We are always there for you. And I welcome one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Girija Sampath. Your theme was Rotary opens opportunities, but I did not know that you would keep the door so wide open for us to serve, change lives, which is our motto for this year, and will help Srimai also. We look forward to a very, very short Secretary's report, because most of it has been covered by your President.
Good evening everyone, and I welcome to the club installation program. Thanks Sri Girijaji, because she has almost read the entire annual report. Okay, probably I don't need to repeat that. But I would like to say in few words, I want very sweet and short, because major focus areas we've been covering in all the areas apart from our club meeting. Though it's so one thing specifically, the short points are, we are 100% EREY club. We have 3 Paul Harris Fellows this year. And district conference, we are 100% attendance for this time. And apart from this one, so the focus areas are peace building and conflict prevention, disease prevention and treatment, and basic education and literacy, water sanitary and hygiene, community economic development, and maternal child health, apart from environmental support. So we have covered all the areas apart from the regular club meetings and co-hosted along with other clubs. I thank you everyone for this wonderful opportunity, and thanks for being present here. Thank you.
Thank you, Secretary Rotarian Naresh, for that short and sweet report. The next on our agenda is the introduction of the incoming president. I request Rotarian Seema Kumar to please do the honors.
Good evening, everybody. Rotarians on the dais and off the dais, and our esteemed guests of today. It's a great honor to introduce the incoming president. But before that, let me also share something that was missed out in our annual report. That is, we have achieved the maximum number of women membership for the Rotary year 2021 by chartering 2 all-women's clubs. I mean, we have reached more than 80 members, women members last year. That is quite an achievement, and I think it goes to all my new presidents sitting here. I have Dipali Mehta, Indira Dochania, Asma of the club, Hyderabad Pride, and of course we have very many members, lady members also in our global literacy. It's a moment of great honor. Let me introduce to you our president, incoming president, Srimai. A true Telugu woman, was born in Maharashtra, brought up in Bangalore, has been living in Hyderabad since 2003, a true Indian. She is a homemaker, fashion designer, environmentalist, a nature enthusiast, and an artist. Wow, Srimai, you are truly a multi-dimensional woman. She has a natural inclination towards service. Her very first service to the society was when she was a young girl of 16 years. She in fact impressed upon her father to donate tube lights to the village government school. And she also made a group of classmates to help the 10th standard students of the government school just before their final exams. And let me tell you that for the first time, there was 70% pass out in the government school thanks to her initiative. Since then, she has been regularly motivating street children, women from the backward classes to educate themselves. In the year 2013, she started an initiative of sustainable livelihood of women from the urban slum. She started teaching them to make newspaper bags, cloth and jute bags. Simultaneously, she started an awareness of avoiding plastic bags in schools, families, friends, and corporates who were promoting CSR initiatives. She was introduced to Rotary by our IPP Girija Sampath, and she took the oath in February 2021. And today, she is the president, the incoming president of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown. A great pride for all of us. She has two wonderful children, Vaishnavi, a graduate and bachelor's of urban designing, and a son, Maheshwara, who is studying polytechnics in automobile. Let us now give her a warm welcome and applause. President, incoming president. Before that, let us have the installation ceremony. I would also like this opportunity to welcome our IPDG, Hanumant Reddy sir, and his beautiful wife. Thank you, sir.
Sir, I have completed my speech. I thank our IPDG Hanumant Reddy Garu, who was the biggest motivator during my term, and thank you very much, sir, for your motivation and support. And also, we are proud to say that from our club there are 6 district people who is going to be in our new governance team. Thank you for the opportunity given to all of us, DG Prabhakar Garu.
Thank you, Rotarian Seema, for that wonderful introduction. Now we'll have the handover of the collar and gavel to the president. May I request the district governor and also the installation officer to please install our president and administer the oath. Thank you very much. Please receive.
I do solemnly pledge that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown, and that I will, to the best of my ability, support the district governor and the Rotary International, and that I will support the constitution and bylaws of this club.
Good evening, everyone. I welcome Rotarian DG Prabhakar Garu, IPDG Hanumant Reddy Garu, dignitaries, all the Rotarians from the district, regional and area cabinets, my fellow members of Hyderabad Midtown and friends. I'm happy to have all of you here on a very special occasion of my life. I would like to start my year with a very small story. During one of his travels, Kalidasa felt very thirsty and looked around for water. He saw a woman drawing water from a well. He went up to her and asked her for water. She agreed to give him water, but asked him, "Who are you? Introduce yourself." Kalidasa thought that an ordinary village woman was not worthy of knowing who Kalidasa was. So he said, "I'm a traveler." The lady replied, "In this world there are only 2 travelers, the sun and the moon. Both rise and set every day and keep traveling perpetually." Then Kalidasa said, "All right then, I'm a guest." The lady promptly replied, "In this world there are only 2 guests, youth and wealth. Both are temporary and hence can only be called as guests." Intrigued, Kalidasa said, "I am a tolerant person, Sahanshil Vyakti." Now the lady replied, "In this world only 2 truly know the meaning of tolerance, Bhumi, the earth, and trees. How much ever you stamp the earth or throw stones at the trees for the fruits, both continue to nurture us." Now Kalidasa was completely perplexed. He said, "Fine, I'm a stubborn person, Hatavadi." The lady smiled and said, "There are only 2 truly stubborn personalities, our nails and our hair. We keep cutting them non-stop, but they continue to grow." Kalidasa had been patient so far, but now in anger he said, "I am a fool." Now the lady gave a wide smile and said, "There are only 2 kinds of fools in this world. A king who rules without having any capability or knowledge, and a minister who is a sycophant to such a king and lavishes praises on such a useless king. Kalidasa realized that he had been outsmarted. He fell at the feet of the lady, and when he touched her feet, he got up. And whom did he see? He saw Mata Saraswati, the goddess of learning and wisdom. She said, Kalidasa, you're wise. But only if you know yourself do you become a Manushya, a human being. A person without any awareness of self has not reached the pinnacle of being a human. I have recounted this story to all of us to be aware of ourselves, to become better human beings. And one way to be better ourselves is through service. Not only us, but we have more responsibility to teach our next generation also empathy and humanity. Let us come together this year and try our best to involve friends and family, our own children and grandchildren, and show them the gratitude of life. Make them self-aware, and there is more than living to life. Let us show them service to mankind is equal to service to God. What is a better platform than the Rotary International to do this? I am proud to be a part of it and will give the best of my service and enjoy my term with fellowship with my club and fellow Rotarians. I believe in teamwork and expect my board of directors to guide and advise me in all my endeavors I take up in my whole year this year. To finish with this, I am also happy to announce that 7 of our members are in the district and regional cabinet. Rotarian Vijay Lakshmi Amma is a councillor. All right. Thank you very much, and I hope that we all enjoy this evening.
Thank you, Srimai. You are very lucky to have an Indian as the Rotary International President and an effective and highly efficient man sitting to your right as a District Governor, A. Prabhakar. I am sure that with 2 such leading men around you, you will lead our club to higher glory, to serve, to change life. Now it is time that the presidents have been introduced. It is the secretary's turn. All of us know Rinesh, but there are some in this crowd, especially the new 3 clubs that we have introduced. They should know who our secretary is, Dinesh Mohanlal.
Thank you. Okay, I've got the proud privilege to introduce our secretary. Hello. Yeah. Dinesh Mohanlal. What a powerful surname. Son of Shri Jagdish Mohanlal, a past president of the Rotary Club of Secunderabad, and Dr. Mrs. Sulochana Mathur, retired principal of Vinitha Mahavidyalaya, District Chairman 2021 of Inner Circle District 315, and currently Association Council Member, Association of Innovate Clubs of India, had a son on the 1st of November 1997. I'm glad he's not a woman because you'd have killed me for divulging his age. He did his schooling from St. Paul's High School. He actively participated in many extracurricular activities. He's an avid sports person, played table tennis at the district level. He's an eloquent speaker, won many prizes in elocution, essay, and chant competitions. I just want to ask him one question over here. Have you ever won a domestic discussion? Yeah. That's okay. You're in the same group. He received awards for 6 consecutive years, putting in 100% attendance from standard 5 to standard 10. Attendance at home also is 100%. After completing his graduation and MIS, Management in Information Systems, he joined North Star Shipping and successfully, and then getting experience, joined his dad. Now he successfully runs a business of sales and services of air conditioners. He is happily married to Pranitha Mathur. I added the word happily, I hope you don't mind. She works as in the admin and HR department of Godrej Boys Manufacturing Company, and they are blessed with one daughter, Sanchi Mathur, who studies in the 7th standard in Gitanjali Devashala. Following the footsteps of his parents, Dinesh decided to join Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown, one of the most prestigious clubs of the District 3150. He served as secretary for the year 2018-2019, president for the year 2019-2020. He is a committee member of the Academic Bureau of Counseling Center School Education Committee and membership drive of HMK Education and Welfare Society. Member of AP Kashyap Sabha, Hyderabad. He is also a member of the city prestigious clubs like Secunderabad Club, Fateh Maidan Club, and his hobbies are swimming, music, and traveling. Please put your hands together to welcome our incoming president, incoming secretary, Dinesh Mohanlal.
I request all the members on the dais to please come down, otherwise the photos will not. Naresh can take this opportunity to hand over the charter.
Board of Directors. First, we will have, my secretary is anyways here, Dinesh Mohanlal Garu. Sridhar, the treasurer. Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawat Amma as the club trainer. This year we have our past president Girija Sampath for service projects. Seema Kumar Garu for public image. Dr. Ram Krishna. Okay. Immediate past president Girijamma for the service projects. Dr. Ram Krishna for foundation. निशीत राज सक्सेना जी, हाथ उठाइए, मैं भूल गई हूँ. He is the administration, direct membership. Mr. Sharad Kela for the club administrator. But unfortunately he is not present today. Then we have Mr. Jerry Kurian for youth services. He is also not present today. We have Suraj Rajkumar. He is the president elect and the director for literacy and wills. Mr. Raman as the secretary elect. I present you my board this year. We'll all have a happy year.
Good evening, all present here. I would like to recognize the presence of some eminent Rotarians, and while going back, they should carry a bag like this, which is there. We don't want to hand it over to you because we want you to enjoy the dinner. I would start with immediate past District Governor N.V. Hanmant Reddy. Thank you, sir, for visiting. Then we have Indira Dochania, Rotary Club of Hyderabad Pride. Dharma Havle, Sherwood Public School. Krishna, Sherwood Public School. These are Rotaractors who have won the prizes. Then Abdul Naeem, Saurav A, Rotary Club of Hyderabad. Gaurav A, M. Pawan Kumar, Rotary Club of Sainikpuri.
Rotarian Sharat Chowdhury, Hyderabad Deccan, District Membership. S. Sham, Hyderabad Himayat Nagar. Rotarian Malika, Hyderabad East. Rajesh Prasad, Global Literary Club. N. Tirupati Rao, Global Literary Club. Dr. Venkat, RCH Central. Dr. Shashikala, RC Creative Hyderabad. Mr. Satish Reddy, RC Bhagyanagar. Anita Reddy, Smart Hyderabad. Suresh Gupta, IG Jubilee Hills, sorry. Alex Ganta, RC Secunderabad. Pearl Ganta, RC Secunderabad. And Murthy Vadapalli. Thank you all for attending today. It was a pleasure having you over here.
Good evening all. Thank you. I have been given the DG's introduction. Around 12 lines are there in this. But I think Prabhakar, I know him from 2001 because the Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown and Rotary Club of Hyderabad Central used to meet in the same hotel, Hotel Golconda. And most of the times we used to meet them. Most of their members know members of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown and members of Hyderabad Central. We have very good friends in Central. So most of the time both the clubs used to come together, and there were so many times we had the joint meeting. So Prabhakar has been a good friend of Rotary Club of Hyderabad Midtown. And of course when you know the DGs in District 3150, you don't have to say that there would have definitely been past president and outstanding past president he has been. And in the group study exchange he has been to the USA, and there are so many joint projects, matching grant projects, global grant projects for which he has worked in crores of rupees. But these are the things what most of the things have been written in this paper. Apart from this, what the new members don't know is he is a wonderful person working as a chartered accountant. Of course, most of the people say that chartered accountants are wonderful Rotarians, and I compliment him because I work for the income tax department. I know most of the chartered accountants. So Prabhakar has been a successful chartered accountant working with Jawahar & Co. And he has been a Rotarian and has been awarded most of the top awards which all the PDGs or DGs get, and a wonderful person at heart, always accessible and very down to earth. Whenever we were new members and all, we had a very good interaction with him, traveled together, and whenever there is institute and all, we work together, and wonderful leader and very knowledgeable. This is the introduction of Prabhakar. Thank you so much. I request Prabhakar Garu.
Thank you, Sridhar. President Srimay, Secretary Ritesh, and outgoing President Girija, and Naresh, our Assistant Governor is not here, and immediate past District Governor Hanmant Reddy Garu, my fellow Rotarians, Rotaractors, friends and guests. Very good evening to all of you. For me, it's a time to express my gratitude. I am here because of one lady. Always she motivated me encouraged me to take up positions in Rotary and to come up the ladder. More than me, she dreamt of I becoming a governor. She is none other than Vijayalakshmi Shekhawat Madam. Thank you.
All your rose vaccines are becoming
She introduced the Rotary in 1995. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your attention. I want to congratulate Girija for doing a good number of projects in spite of all odds under the able guardianship of our immediate politician Governor Manmohan Reddy Garu. And she covered all activities under all 6 areas of focus and 5 avenues of service. Congratulations. And one good project I appreciate is the creating awareness with tobacco. That's one of the very good projects. I want your club to continue that. And this year, I requested some of your club members to help me in starting my duties as a district governor. I will read out those names and they are kind enough to give their consent to help me. So that Dr. Ram Satwalkar is the district chairman for disease prevention and treatment. Vijayalakshmi ma'am is a councillor for women membership. Seema Kumar, district chairman for women membership. Girija Sampar, regional chairman for e-learning and child development. And Dinesh Mohanlal, regional chairman for economic and community development. My good friend Naresh Ragi, area chairman for public image, and another very good friend Sridhar, regional chairman for our road track. Thank you all of you for giving your consent to help me in running our district. Coming to this Rotary things, this year we all know service to serve to change lives. That is our Rotary theme given by our Rotary International President, Shekhar Mehta. It works both ways according to me. By doing service and where we should take up large and high impact projects so that we can change the life of beneficiaries. At the same time, after seeing the happiness on the face of the beneficiaries, it motivates us and it gives immense pleasure to all of us so that it will change our life too. That's what I feel, and with that intention only probably our President has given this lovely theme of service changes, which is very appropriate and apt in this current scenario. To do this service projects has given 10 service days and requested all the clubs to observe at least 5 or 6 service days out of these 10. And to be in line with that, in our district we have given 6 designated activities starting from August 15th to last project is on designated activities on June 6th, which falls on International Environmental Day. So I request all the clubs, especially your club too, to observe this, at least these 6 designated activities of our district. This year, our Rotary International's pet project is girl empowerment. Anyway, there is no need to tell me about the girl empowerment because this club is already women empowered. Wherever I see, only women are seeing, I am able to see. And total club is running right. So, see, take care of youngsters also. So, girl empowerment is the pet project of our Rotary International, be it in literacy or health or in skill development. Literacy, already we are taking number of projects by providing clean drinking water at schools or sanitation facilities at the school. But of course, there is plenty to do. We will take up those projects also in due course. And coming to the health issues, this year our My Pet project is Saturate Telangana. That's the slogan given to saturate all girls from cervical cancer by providing a vaccination. Of course, it's a very expensive project and we are going to take it up as an ongoing project like polio. Within a span of 4 years or 5 years, we want to saturate total Telangana by giving vaccination to all the girls. In the same health line, this is we are introducing this reusable sanitary napkins for menstrual to maintain menstrual hygiene.
For that, we are starting under the leadership of Rotary Club of Hyderabad, we are starting 6 manufacturing units. And I request all the women Rotarians and especially the authorities here. Yeah, she is here. She is the main regional chair for girl empowerment. I request all of you to create awareness among girls and rural women to use this reusable napkin so that we can save the environment as well as work should be reaching for them. And for skill development. In most of the areas, in rural areas, we know girls are stopping their education after 10th class or intermediate due to various reasons. I request to start a couple of skill development centers like stitching or lab technician courses or data entry courses. Okay, these training camps will be for 2 months or 3 months maximum. You can conduct in holidays, in the summer, you can conduct these training camps in the schools also. So that girls will be self-sufficient and they can live on their own and if possible they can pursue their higher education too. So I request to start a couple of skill development centers also. And coming to this district pet project, our pet project is environment. Why I have chosen this environment is this year Rotary International introduced this 7th area of focus. So far we are having only 6 areas of focus. From 1st July onwards, Rotary International started this, introduced this 7th area of focus, that is environmental protection. So I want to make it known to all of the Rotarians about this 7th area of focus. And I feel saving Mother Earth is the need of the hour. Keeping these two in mind, I introduced and kept this environmental protection as our district pet project, be it in rainwater harvesting or creating, conducting awareness programs about the avoidance of plastic, save my surroundings. So, conducting number of awareness camps about this avoidance of plastic or lake revival or water harvesting pits or whatever it is. I request President Shreebai to take up. Of course, she is very keen about this environmental protection. This is the example of her already doing her work. So I request CLAB as well as the President to take up some projects under environment. Coming to the membership, for doing all the service projects, we need more number of hands. So we have to increase our membership. Of course, last year you did extremely good job, Girija, in increasing the membership. It's under the guidance and the leadership, assistance and help of Vijayalakshmi ma'am and Sima Kumar and other members. We did an extremely good job as far as this membership is concerned. So in Rotary, there is unwritten dictum, perform better than last year. So last year when you said the 123 new members you have introduced, Srimayi probably she will increase it to 246. Hopefully yes, because already Shekhavat aunty promised me 2 lady clubs, women Rotary clubs.
On the job.
Sorry, come again?
I'm on the job, sir.
Good, excellent. So, 250 is not a big deal. So, I request to focus on the membership increase and do more number of. Next year, our guiding mantra is do more, grow more, and to do more. By we follow one thing, that is each one bring one. That is the slogan given in our district. Of course, each one bring one is we are hearing this slogan for so many years, but it didn't click. Because always all Rotarians feel the increasing membership is the responsibility of the president. But we have to change our thinking, thought process. It is the responsibility and business of each and every Rotarian. Every Rotarian should feel it is my responsibility to increase the membership so that we can do better service and we can do good in the world. So keeping all these things, I request you to focus much more on membership too. And road tractors, interactors, I don't know how many road tractors and interactors we have. When you are doing some projects in the schools that I know, please start a couple of road tractors and interactors also, because next year under the chairman, international chairman, road track chairman is our Ravi Vadlamani, first district governor, and we are planning to increase by 15 to 20,000 road tractors next year. I request you to help that tank also. And coming to this final thing, that is, next year we are conducting Rotary International Presidential Conference. Every year Rotary International President conducts 6 international conferences all over the world. He being in India, he is kind enough to allot 1 international conference to India. And our district 3150 is lucky enough to grab that opportunity. We are conducting that international presidential conference on February 2nd, 3rd and 4th. We are expecting huge crowd and delegates from 150 countries, and participation is going to be nearly 8 to 10,000. I request all of you to reach for that great and grand event, and whoever not able to witness this international convention which happens every year in the month of June, it's a golden opportunity to enjoy our Rotary International. And coming to the Srimai, this coming 12 months, or rather 11 months now, it's a very crucial and critical, and make it memorable and satisfying period. By the time you hand out the charge, you should be very happy and satisfying president to hand out the charge by doing all your expected service projects and after reaching your goals set. With these few words, I congratulate you once again, and I wish you and your entire team all the very best. Thank you very much.
Thank you, District Governor, for those wonderful words, encouraging words. We assure you that we will do what you have asked us to and ensure that the projects that you are asking us to do is implemented. Thank you so much. Next, let's have the distribution of certificates and newsletter.
14 years, a video competition and also painting competition. We have shortlisted the winners, and today the prize distribution is going to be announced. I hope the winners are here. Please come forward. The winners, if anybody is here, please come forward. Okay. All other certificates, we will be couriering it to the concerned students. What is your name, please? Krishna Kishore. He is the winner. Please give him a big hand. Out of so many participants, he is shortlisted.
Krishna Kishore, he won the second place in the COVID Through My Eyes contest for videography. He had a wonderful video talking through the COVID times and how things happened and how he viewed it. We are not having a projector, otherwise we would have actually showcased this. I will be sharing the same videos through mails and and Facebook. All right, Krishna? Thank you. Talk about what you shot.
It's actually how the world was during the COVID time. It explains how the COVID began, how deaths increased rapidly, and how anxiety and depression the world was under. And in such a case, how we can transform out ourselves. Is that we can do yoga, we can do meditation, which will clear everyone through stress and will make us all peaceful. And to show that even I practice, I kept even my few asanas like Sarvangasana, Halasana, Shirshasana. Me doing such asanas I have kept in that video and I sent it. I was really surprised at receiving the second prize. Thank you, ma'am.
Once you join Rotary or become a Rotractor, you will always be well dressed and not come like this. This is how you will learn in life. Okay? Thank you. Now there is a pleasant duty to perform by the Governor and the President Srimai.
This is the launch of our e-magazine and the District Governor newsletter. Quite secured.
This is after a long time, we have restarted the newsletter from Hyderabad district. So this is the only physical copy. The next month we will be having our digital copies. Until somebody wants to sponsor me.
everyone. At the outset, let me thank all my club members for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be the secretary of the club, of this most prestigious club. Under the guidance and support of all my club members, I shall try to do my best. Club announcement. Birthday celebration. On 25th of July, past President Rotarian Vijay Lakshmi Shekhawat celebrated her birthday. Everybody please wish her a very happy birthday, please. On 28th of July, past President PSN Prasad will be celebrating his birthday. We wish him a very happy birthday. We wish to celebrate together on the day. Okay. Our next BOD meeting will be held on 4th of August at 6:30 p.m. on Zoom. I request all the board members to kindly join the meeting. And our club regular meeting will be held on 4th of August at 7 p.m. on Zoom. I request all the members to kindly join the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajesh. Now, may I request Rotarian Lakshmi Reddy to please give us the vote of thanks. Okay, we'll ask
Yeah, because you want to give it very crisp and short, so maybe they may be chosen mine. So I thank everyone for being here for this wonderful evening, and I especially thank DG Prabhakar Garu and IPDG Hanuman Reddy Garu and all our club members and Rotarians from other clubs, district and assistant governors and guests, aunts and annettes. And I want to thank especially for the media and photographer and the venue partners. So I thank each and everyone from the depth of my heart, because thanks is a big word for everyone to say. Thank you everyone. And please join for the fellowship.